Hello. What up, Ben? Wardstone, computer. Thank you for being here before me, sort of. It's not like I'm not just here already. Wardstone, you are a little late. You're about 23 hours late from the last stream, but you're early to this one. Excuse me. Also, good morning from your nap. Yeah, I'm on early today. It's 4th of July. My company is closed, so I've been working on the game all day. Lucky me. That doesn't get to happen. Hello, streamer. It's good to see you. How's my back? My back's doing better. It's like 85% fine. Imagine not streaming all day. Can't. I can't imagine. Oh my god, my dog is in the other room just slurping. Slurping. I can't get her to stop. It's driving me nuts. And it is so hot today. It's like 95 degrees outside. And there's like a construction crew right outside my window. They're all in like full construction gear. I can't imagine. I don't know how they're doing it. At least the sun just went away. But the sun was up all day. But yeah, I started making this like this end of day ticker yesterday, and I realized, you know what, I'm gonna do the block idea. I want to do the block idea. So I'm trying to work this out so that this renders to a render texture, and then I can put that render texture in the UI. Because I cannot get this to render in front of the UI. The UI is just always on top. I don't know how to make it not always on top. Water and sweat. It's like the weather cycle only in their pants. Yeah. I'm pretty sure they have fancy pants especially for it too. I hope they do. Because they're not only, they're in like full long sleeves, long pants, boots. They've got these headbands with helmets on top and everything like, and they're protecting themselves from the sun because the sun is super powerful. So they've got like handkerchiefs coming out of their helmets so there's no skin exposed and no skin exposed in the face. It's crazy. Yeah, they do have, that's legit safety gear. It looks painful. I hope they're comfortable enough. But I'm comfy here in the house, which is good, or in the apartment. All right, so am I crazy? I thought when you wanted to render something to a render texture, there's literally like a thing right here that's like a slot that says render to render texture. Render to render texture Unity. This is all fine. Not in overlay mode. I flicked it back. Still couldn't find it. So when I flick it back, it tags it to main camera, which is annoying. It's not. I don't know. It's a UI camera. Whatever. Yeah, it uses URP. Anti-aliasing. Yeah, use URP. Just post-process it. Depth texture, culling mask. Environment. Oh, whoops. I didn't see that guy. There it is. That's so stupid. I didn't see it. Thank you. Okay. So let's make it like 512 by 512. Or I should make it like the full screen, right? It's probably too big though. All right, so now this texture, can I plug this into an image or something? So let's see. End of day. End of day. Whoa. Where is everything? So now it's like becoming the main camera. I don't want it to be the main camera. Background type. Oh, uninitialized. How about like not? How about like don't show up? Culling mask. Yeah, only show that. Excuse me. Raw image. Where's raw image? Priority. Oh, maybe it's a priority thing? No? Oh, you mean a raw image UI element. Okay, I see. But how do I get it to stop rendering like here? Like it's clearly doing something. Right, right. Oh, wait, is this part of the stack? Oh, that's why. Get out of here. Okay. I accidentally had it part of the stack as a test. Okay, so now it doesn't render anywhere. And anything that is in that layer is in an image. And now if I go to the end of day menu, end of day menu, and I put in here, I'll just hide this, make a new image. So it would be raw image, texture. Oh God. Oh God, it's hideous. It's hideous. I guess it would be 512 by 512 since that's the size of the render texture. So what you doing? What you doing, silly camera? You little silly Billy camera. Background. Uninitialized. If I do sky color, why can't it be nothing? Oh, Dougie. Why can't it be nothing? I wonder if this is just an in-editor problem. Target eye. I don't know. I don't know what the hell that is. I guess that's for VR stuff. Anyway, how's everybody doing? I just jumped right in it today. And let me show off what I did this morning. So I made that map yesterday, right? And then I decided I don't like it. I hate it. I hate it so much. So what I did was I made this map. And it's much nicer. This is the new map. And where's the old map? AL map. Yeah, so this was the old one, right? Old, new. I would say this is way better. It's a better representation of all the little areas. It's cuter. I made it. It's got all the things about it that's cool. It's not like the best thing in the world. It can use maybe some more decorations, but you know, this is all done in Maya, so I have the 3D scene. I can manipulate it easily. And I used Kenny assets for everything, like Kenny trees, Kenny houses, these little grasses and flowers, Kenny buildings. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm happy with it. So that's a much better like in-game world map. Oh, wait. Wait, this is working now. Ugh, why? Why is this just working now? Yo, what up, Panda Coder? It's possible that it is going to work. It's just showing artifacts in edit mode. Let's see. So yeah, here's the map in like in situ. It's possible that the color palette doesn't totally match, but at the same time, I don't think I care. I like how clean it is though. All right, so if I open up that end of day menu canvas, force open. Ooh, that is not working. Panda hungover code. Hope you're doing well, Panda. This is terrible. Render texture with alpha. Render texture alpha issues. Okay, maybe it's an issue with this. Color format. What are they using? ARG V32? What's ARG V32? Is that even an option anymore? This post is from 2016. I love it. Enable compatible format. Yes, please. Depth? I don't care about depth. But that doesn't seem to do anything. What if I just play with this? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yo, Fal! Am I even totally sober yet? That was like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. We learned something about Panda this morning, but I think it's best left unsaid. What did we learn? You can't type on your phone when you're drunk and you really like water. I thought it was best left unsaid. Fal! There's me. Normally I can type. I was too drunk. Be right back. Need to listen to a voice message from my sister. Wait, were you drunk again this morning? I missed that. What's going on here? Anti-aliasing, no. Dimensions, yes please, 2D. There's settings here that I can't seem to replicate. I can't even see it. Like screenshots of giant screens. So camera is solid color with background. Okay, let's mimic that. So the camera, solid color. Oh, there we go. Excuse me. That's weird. So this just didn't work in the editor. Okay, cool. I was moderately concerned, but to his credit, he got more coherent. There we go. Okay. So, what am I going to do? I think I want to make the block calendar. It's 28 days. The 2 cubes are going to come out of the block, spin around, and go right back to where they're supposed to be. So how am I going to do it? Should I do it via code? Or should I do it via... Or should I animate it? Like straight up animate it in Maya. That's a lot of animation. It's 28 different animations. And that's a lot of like hooking up animations in the editor. So yeah, it doesn't work here. Oh, right, it's switched back. Oh, okay, looks fine. Great. Welcome back. So I guess I'll put this in here. And it's not a UI, it's not UI, but it's like UI Geo. I'll make a new group. All right, so it's basically I'll make a prefab of it. So prefabs, content. UI prefabs. I guess it's a UI prefab. End of day menu. So we're gonna make this thing. So what is it? What is it? It's 2 cubes and then a housing for them. And this won't even have a mesh. Doesn't need a box clutter either. And I'll model something in Maya a little better after. All right, I gotta grab my dog. She's gotta stop. She's gotta stop what she's doing. All right, we're back. Hey, thank you for the follow, Sammy. I was also concerned about my stomach hurting from drinking too much water too quickly. It turns out when I'm as drunk as I was, my normal reflex that would stop me from drinking the water so fast is turned off. But I think I passed out with Twitch open on my phone, so I wrote it up. So I wrote up to it drained. Oh, panda. All right, so here's the housing of it. And then this one's 0.5, negative 0.5. Right. Yo, fuzzy algorithm. How's it going? Oh, so you woke up to it drained, I see. So these things are going to fly out, spin to the right number, and then drop back. Simple, easy. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm working on something kind of fun right now. It's not necessary to the game, but it's fun, so I'm gonna do it. Augie. This one goes in here. This one goes in here. So now I can zero out their values. Left cube. Right cube. Left. Right cube. Group. Give me some Dragon Ball Power Booyah. I'm still trying to work. I'm still trying to, excuse me, get myself to work. I don't know if I have it. I don't know if I have it in me right now. And this is going to be called the cube clock. Cube calendar. Cube calendar. There we go. All right, so I need... Also, how are the lights affecting this thing? I don't understand. If I go to lights... Time of day... Yo, Mr. Zombie! How's it going? Where is the light? Sunlight directional. It's got 0 intensity. I don't know why. Sun rotate group. Yes, it's you. It's you. Culling mask. It's not included in here. How do I know what's casting light on this thing? If I hide the lighting group, it still casts light. What? What? Is this purely environment lighting? It might be purely environment lighting. Interesting. Just woke up, love the progress. My progress? I haven't made any progress. All right, that's not true. I did do a little bit today. Haven't been on a streamer in a bit. Yeah. It's been a bit. I've been making pretty good progress. If you think about it in the long term, then sure. Cube calendar. All right. So what do I need? I need a start date and then a next date, and then I need an eye enumerator to do some animation, and that's really it. That's all I need. It should be pretty simple. Scripts. Scripts. I guess it's a UI. What is this thing? What? I never know where to put little scripts like this. I think I have like a special place. I know I have a special place for these. It's like event behaviors or something. Special behaviors. Object behaviors. Yeah. Clock time of day. This is going to be called cube calendar. I'd kill to make some progress. You can make progress, Augie. You can do it. Just do one tiny little thing. Tiniest little thing. All right, so what I just need a reference to the cubes. So left public transform. Left cube. So the left cube is the it's just the 10 and then public transform right cube. And then public I'll do a void init. Initialize. Really? Initialize. Change color on a material progress. Yes. This might be an odd question, but where did you get your chair? I have a similar looking one, but it's starting to fall to bits. I got it from Nitori. I got it from here. It's a Japanese company. Chair. Also, holy buzzing. Let me fix that. Nope, that's worse. That's worse. That's worse. There we go. Okay. This is it. Wait. Is this it? This ain't it, but it's close. I did this already on a stream a couple weeks ago. It's something like this. This is like $220 US. This might be the new version of what I have. I have about 5 people who stream at the same time, so I have to pick my battles. Yeah, it gets sometimes some parts of the day get a little competitive, but you know, not in like a vicious, like someone's got to win way. There's just a lot of people on, a lot of cool people at the same time. When I start my day, there's like 15 streamers that I enjoy all of their stuff, so I try to like spend some time and rotate like where I hang out. All right, so what is the initialization? I need to know what time it is, and I need to know what time we're going to. So the current day and then the next day. What is the day? So let's print public void awake. No. Let's say public. No. When this is called, we'll say print time system dot instance dot current time dot get relative day in month. Okay. Current day. Sometimes progress doesn't feel like progress. I learned that one day. That's true. I mean, I literally haven't done anything in the past month. Yeah, I think you were like really, I think you were really invested in these festivals. Thank you, Soul Receiver. How's it going? Okay, I think you were like super invested in these festivals, and to get into these festivals, it's such a like a popularity lottery contest. It's both. It's like a lottery and popularity contest. And it's just really difficult, and you're just mentally drained from like working so hard toward these goals, and then what? You know, neither of us got into any festivals. I think we entered like the same ones, and it's disheartening. You had a similar one? Those are super comfy. Yeah, this one's really comfy. I could totally fall asleep in it. So what you're saying is we need more game dev streamers, and I should get a green screen? Yeah, definitely. Computer, you should join us. Join us. Stream. What up? Wait. Added component. Apply. Left cube. Right cube. Hey, don't do that. No. Don't do that. There you go. Don't be a jerk. To be fair, I wasn't really expecting to get into any of them, but yeah, schedule was pretty draining. And I kind of feed off progress, and I haven't gotten any fuel. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, Augie. Because, you know, you've been coming in here the past couple weeks with pretty much the same thing. Like, I can't make progress. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to find my motivation. And honestly, I don't know either. Sometimes it just shows up. My motivation's also tied to progress. Yeah. All right. So the thing with these cubes is every side is a number. And with just 2 cubes, you can make any date. The only catch to that is 9 and 6 have to be, you have to flip 9 to be 6. That's the only way this works. Otherwise, everything is pretty realistic. I guess I need to know the numbers before I continue. Like, I need to put numbers on this thing. Do I have numbers here? Like a sprite 1. 1. I'm pretty sure I have numbers that are sprites. Sprites? One? Oh, I can do a key alpha. Right? Keyboard, here we go. Keyboard 0. So I just need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, cancel. No, don't create animation. Make 3D sprites. 1. Just bring in the 1. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm like a perpetual energy machine. It needs to already run to have energy. Once it stops, I'm fucked. Seven, 8, 9, 0. All right, where are these things? What are you doing over there? Kicks Augie there, motion. All right, so these go on left cube. And then should be negative 0.5, negative 0.55. And let me scale them up. I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'll rotate them around. So let's raise it up. So this one's 90. This one's 180. This one's negative 90. This one's 90 in X. This one's 90 in Y, or negative 90 in X. Okay, so I've got all these. So negative 0.51. So now it kind of looks like it's on the surface, right? Okay. And then I want to do the same thing on the other side. I'll just delete this cube, make a right cube. 2. Oh, put this one back. That was pretty funny. All right, right cube. So this one needs to be, oh wait, there's 0 as well. So the 6, there's actually no 6 in this one, it's 0. The 6 goes in the other one. So I think it's, this one has to be, what does this one need to be? Oh, I wish I still had them. They must be in my closet. I'll be right back. It must be somewhere. No, I can't find it. I'll just look it up online. Block calendar. Logic. Yeah, I think it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 0, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8? No, no, no. They both don't need 0. Because it's never, you can never have 0, 0, right? Sides of a block calendar. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 0, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. I see. You won't place the 9 because the 6 functions as a 9. Got it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, yeah, so you do need 2 zeros. And then 0, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. 0, 1, 2. We don't need these. These are going to be 6, 7, 8. And we don't need 9. 6, 7. Okay. So what is, this is the correct transform. Copy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Paste. So is this 6? The 6 can also be 9. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so these are just total temporary whatevers. So I think what I also need is an array of vectors that represent the different numbers. So I can just lerp between them. That should be smart, right? Right cube. Because I don't want to, yeah, I'm going to need that. public vector3 vector3 array. And then this is going to be left. Oh, you know what I'll do? You know what I'll do? Okay. I'll make a new class. Public class. Clock. And it's just going to have the number itself. So public int num. And then Euler angle. System.serializable. I'll do an array of these. Oh, but sometimes they swap. Hey, what's up, Dental Dam? How's it going? Sometimes these swap positions, so I think they need a public vector. Maybe it should just be like 30 of these, and then left. Things are good for me. You know, it's funny. I kind of wrote this code already. Believe it or not, I wrote this code already. Do I have it? Let me see. I know I have it on a hard drive somewhere. What was it called? It's on a hard drive that that I think is dead. Ah, that sucks. What's the best way to do this? So yeah, public number, public vector3, left block position, public vector3, right block position, and public vector3, left block rotation, public vector3, right block rotation. So the silly thing is I have them in these groups, but they don't need to be in these groups anymore. They can just float. And there's 28 different values, right? So positions equals I just got to manually fill them in, I guess. Oh, wait, let me clear this. Clear. And it's kind of going to be the same. So, oh, what if I set it up and then I hit a button that's just adds these? Let's do that. I'll make it a list. Add to positions. Positions equals, or dot add, positions dot length, or new block position. Isn't there a way to do this? Yeah. Number equals positions dot length dot count plus 1. And then left block position equals left cube dot transform dot position, right block position left block rotation equals local. So this is the annoying thing. Can I use quaternions? Do I have to use Euler? Can you save a rotation like in an array? No, I don't think so, right? Is this how you do this? Like that. Okay. So I want to clear this. Clear. So day 1 is represented by this. And if I hit this button, add to positions. Boom. Look at that. How fun is that? That's it. This is what life is about. Stupid shit like this. So what is 2? Where's 2? There's 2. Negative 90. Add to position. I just got to do this 26 more times. And 3, so that's annoying. 3 is on this cube. So this isn't really right cube, left cube. It's like cube 1, cube 2. So this one has to go here. This one has to go here. Negative 90. And then 3 is 180? Yeah. Add to positions. And then 4 is negative 90. No? 90? Yeah. Oh man, I had similar fun with the game I made for Beegs' Game Jam. I made a dice game and I had to figure out all the normals for the dice and the direction it was facing up and the value of the roll. Yeah, that sounds like satisfying and fun. Maybe it's just something about dice. This is basically dice. It's time for the number to jump up again. Why? Who's going to start? Who's going to start streaming during this time? I know it's not computer. He can't do now. He's working. All right, so 5 is this and this. Add to positions. 6 is, I think 6 is on this dice. Is it just negative 90 or just positive 90? No. Is 6 not on this dice? This die? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's not. Okay, so now this has to go back to this position. Then right cube needs to come back. And then we got to go to 6. Where's 6? Oh my god, where is it? There you are. Oh god, these rotations. So this is 90. What? And this is 90. No. Oh my god, it's just 90 degrees. That's it. Add to positions. This is painful. This is so painful. There's got to be a better way. There's got to be a better way. Oh, also, oh no. I'm using global position. Oh no, that's so stupid. It's grabbing its global position from in the game. Ah, that's so annoying. Local position. Local position. I mean, so I just have to add 11 and subtract 10. Right? Or add 10 and subtract 11. So this is negative 0.5, 0. These are all supposed to be 0. And then this is 0.5, negative 5, negative 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, negative 0.5. Okay. Wow, that was annoying. All right. Okay, so that's 6. Now 7. There's 7. $180, $180. That's rough. Philly Troll. Good morning. How you doing? We're doing good. How are you doing? Welcome in. Why is this 0.000? What is up with that? That's why. Okay. Doing fine. Nice. We're making something silly right now. Making a cube calendar. All right, where's 8? There's 8. Is it upside down though? I think it's upside down. And then 9 is 6, but upside down. So we do this. So 90. And then, so just 90. Okay. Oh, wait, no. No. Oops. There we go. Alpine Lake is your main project? It is. This is for the game. I'm making like basically at the end of the day, at the end of the game day, this block calendar is gonna pop up, and the blocks are they're gonna be the old day. They're gonna come out, spin to the right position, and then kind of slam back into the new day. Yeah, you can see the trailer in the corner. You can wishlist it on Steam if you'd like. See the trailer there. So I'm just trying to do something a little fun right now. I just want like a cool end of day thing. All right, so now we need 10. 10 is pretty simple. It's 180? No. Wait, 90? Wait, the 1 was right there. Why isn't... Oh, that's just 0. Duh. And then we need a 0 here. Where's the 0? And now I already know what all the positions for the numbers are, so I feel like I could just do it manually. So if I add to positions, the next 10 are all going to have the same ones, right? The right cube is always going to be the same, and then the left cube is just going to be a 1 instead of a 0. So right cube is always going to be the same, right? Can I open this up twice? Properties. Thank you for the follow. You publishing on Steam, right? Is it difficult to get a project on Steam? No, it's very easy. You just give them $100. You can put whatever you want up there. I just started in game dev. I'm researching some things. Yeah. Yeah, putting something on Steam's... It's easy, technically. Wait, where'd it go? Posture check. Thank you. Thank you. I just want this next to it. This is going to get confusing. So position 1, the right block, 0.50 for 11. And that's right. And then the rotation is 0, 0. Right? Being allowed to put something on Steam is easy. They make the actual process of putting stuff up as difficult and obtuse as possible. It is quite painful to start. I mean, it doesn't take that long, but it's a little painful. Computer had to help me a lot when I was getting stuff set up. So the left block now, -5. Ugh, if I do this, if I change the order of these, is it gonna lose all my values? Is it gonna lose all my values? Phew. No. And then can I put a space in here? $42. Exactly. So 12 is going to be... So the left block is 1 again, right? The left block. So it's not going to be 90. It's going to be, yeah, zeros. And the right block is 270 and Y. Add to positions. 13, left block is the same, although it's driving me nuts that its position or something is not zeroed out perfectly. And then the right block is the same as 3. So oh, this just got really confusing because now it's the right block that is Consistent? No, I don't even know. I'm just gonna do it the way I was supposed to do it. So 12 I think is right. 13 I gotta make. I gotta make 13. 0.5, negative 0.5, 0, 13. $14 is this. Yo, the Whitechapel. What is this witchcraft you're working on? How's it going? I'm doing something silly right now. I'm making a block calendar uh, for when my game end of day happens. So basically it's a life sim, and at the end of every day, I want the date to change from one date to another. And I'm making, it's like, it's this thing that I have in real life. It's a block. It's these two blocks that have numbers on them, and they can make any date. It's pretty simple. So that's what I'm making right now. So 15. Okay. I just got to find a groove. It's going very slow. Where is 6? Where is 6? Oh, it has to go back to the other position. Also, how are you doing? I saw you were streaming today. I wasn't able to catch it though. Pretty simple as someone who has no clue what you do. Let me back up for a second. Let me introduce myself. Welcome the hell in. Hopefully all that data got saved. It did. So what I'm working on is a game called Alpine Lake. It's a cozy Innkeeper-Sim. Here you can see it's kind of like Stardew Valley and The Sims. And it's a little bit farm sim, but also like an Innkeeper-Sim with decoration and building. So at the end of every day, so the thing that I'm building, right? Let me fast forward to the end of the day. Yeah. Fast forwarding, fast forwarding. I'll take a little stroll through town while we're fast forwarding. And then bam. End of day, okay? Cool. So here, instead of like this guest summary popping up, I want these blocks to animate and kind of change, do like some kind of fanciful end of day. So that's kind of what's going on. Yeah. Also, let me give you a shout out. Everyone, if you are interested in pixel art, you need to follow Whitechapel. Absolutely incredible pixel artist and game dev. Also, I forgot, all these things need to be in the UI Geo. Yes, change children. Cool. Yeah, of course. We're teammates now. Can you believe that? Save. All right, I don't need both of these now. Wait, 16 didn't change? Or didn't save? Add to positions. Oh, it's on a second page. How annoying. So now 17. Where's 7? There it is. Add to positions. Now 18 is here. Is that upside down? I can never tell. $270. 0. Sorry, I'm slacking making dinner now. No worries. No worries. Think I'm some kind of tyrant. And then 19. Bad. And then 20. 0. Nope. 20. 21. 22. Oh, these rotations are psychotic. Why are they psychotic? Why can't they be normal? All right, 23. $24. $5. Sorry, this is probably super boring. Sometimes what's boring for you is what is fun for me. Yo, dog! Thank you for the giant dog. How you been, dog? -0.5. -0.5. So this is now 26. I need 26. You've been good. Hope you're doing well. I am doing well. Doing quite well, actually. $27. Oh my god, almost done. 28. This is the last one. Last one. I can't tell what's upside down. All right, 28. We're done. Only 28 days in this game. Oh, and then it has to go from 28 to 1. Okay, that's fine. I don't need I don't need that. Add position. All right, cool. These numbers are stupid, but whatever. Great. Now if I back out, did all that data get saved? There are 28 items in this array. Perfect. Now, let's just do something silly. I'm gonna just animate them toward each other. So enumerator. Enumerator. Animate. And then I'll say, let's see, what should I say? Int or float timer equals 0 or 1, and then while timer is greater than 0, timer minus equals time dot delta time. Say 0.3 or something. And then I'll lerp between timer and, so yeah, I need a, what do I need? I need the index to and index from. Int from, int to. So left cube dot transform dot position equals math f dot lerp. No, vector 3 dot lerp. Vector 3 dot lerp. And then we'll say positions from dot left block position to positions 2. Thank you for that shout out for dog. Left block position. Wait, what? Oh, I need an alpha. The alpha, no, time is last. And then timer is the, oh wait, actually alpha, float alpha equals timer minus 1 minus timer, right? So this is alpha now. Now, same with right cube. Right cube. Positions dot from dot right block. Right block position. And then local Euler angles. Is there like a, should I do slurp or something for spherical? Slurp. Left block. Rotation. Left block. Rotation. Slurp those angles, yeah. Local Euler angles. Slurp. Position from. Rotation. Rotation. Okay. So now it's going to animate. Oh, and we need a yield, return new, wait for end of frame. So we just need to like call this a bunch of times, right? Enumerator. Chain all numbers. I don't know. Yield, return new, animate from 0 to 1. Yield return start coroutine? Do I have to do that? And then... How about I just feed it the 1? And then int 2 equals from +1. How about that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wait, I can do this with a for loop. What am I doing? 4 int x equals 0. X is less than 29? Less than or equal to 28. X plus plus. What's wrong with me? And then I pass an X. And then start coroutine, chain all numbers together. Okay, is this gonna work? Raise your hand if you think this is gonna work. Leave the stream if you think it's not gonna work. 2 viewers. Yo, what's up, Aaron? I believe. You believe? All right. Nice. Oh my god, you even have a raising hand emote. Sick. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if this works. I have no idea. There's a lot of yelling outside. I'm going to put this down here so we can watch it. And you ready? Are you guys ready? I'm not ready. There's too much at stake. They're just gone. I know why. It's because I'm changing position. It's got to be local position. All right. That doesn't count. It doesn't count. Oh, wait. It's going to crash. Because it's going to try and go from 28 to 29. It's going to crash. 7, 2. Oh, God. What does it do? What? Wait, why is it switching into position now? Yo, what is happening? What is happening? They're like dancing. 15, 16. Oh, it's working. Wait. 17, 18, 19, 20. It's working. It wasn't working in the beginning. What? Wait a minute. Okay. It kind of worked. It kind of worked, right? Kind of. So these are all Z1, and then they're not anymore. So I don't know why these have a Z value, but they shouldn't. They should be 0. Oh, of course I'm doing it here. Oops. Wait, I think I just changed something I shouldn't have. I don't know. I'm going to assume I didn't. So this was that problem. That's why they were offset. Because once it hit like 8, or 6 or 7, it started working. Praise the calendar! Let me revert. Let's reset this. No, don't reset. Are you kidding? No. I just lost it all. Revert. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's try this again. And you know what I'll do? I'll add a... So in between every animate, I'll yield return new wait for and I'll wait for like, wait for seconds. I'll wait for half a second. And then this I'll, or maybe I'll, in 0.3 seconds, it'll snap to it, and then we'll wait for 1 second. Okay. And then we'll just keep adding like flare, you know, like it'll jump up in Y. Maybe they'll do a little scale. Maybe they'll like wobble into position. I don't know. We can have fun with it. See, this is where I have fun. I love doing procedural animation. Although, would you call this procedural animation if I needed to do this much data entry? No, I don't think so. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sick. That's fun. Oh my God. The 8 was upside down. Yo. Yeah, that's fun. Wait, did it just jump from like something ridiculous to 16? I can't wait for it to crash at 28. 24. 25. 26. 22. It went from 27 to 22 and then boom, crash. Why didn't it do 28? 28. Do it. Do 28. Why didn't it do 20? Oh, because... No, I have no idea why. What? Why didn't it do 28? So first of all, in here, excuse me, I should do like a modulo, but it should never be. Yeah, 27 is the last number because we're in indices. We're not in days. So index 27 is the 28th day. We should never be more than that. That's problem number 1. Problem number 2. Problem number 2 is it showed 22, which is negative 0.5, positive 0.5, and then 270 in Y. Yeah, okay. That's exactly the problem. So if I X this out, add positions. Oh, this is supposed to be 180. I must have zeroed that out by accident. That's what happened. Okay. All right. We're fixed. So now let's make it fun. 3 a.m. Canadian time. I must sleep. I like how you say that as if Canada is one giant time zone. Yeah, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Also, Errand. Jeez, shout out. Everyone make sure you're following Errand. A fellow teammate and an awesome streamer. I have been lurking there for months. Sometimes I say things too. But your stream is it's a total scene. It's a total scene. Sometimes I'm just like, I just watch and I'm like, how do you get in on this? Everyone's just yelling at each other. That's fine. I'll just watch. Have a good night, dog. This is true, yeah. Yeah, you've formed like close friendships with everyone in there. And you can tell, and it's fun. Just join in the yelling. It's not me. I mean, I try sometimes. Usually I'll join in when Yag yells at me, I'll yell back at Yag. because Yag's been yelling at me for months. And I finally have the courage to yell back in all caps. So when this is 28, I just need to make this if 2 equals 20, 28, and 2 equals 0. Simple as that. Or when from equals 27. When from equals 27, 2 equals 0. All right. Now, let's put some fun stuff in. So public animation curve. Left cube Y. Public animation curve. Left or right cube Y. And let's add some easing. So I want it to like ease in and ease out. Okay. And I want the Y curve to be a jump. So this alpha, I want to ease dot. What is it? Easing dot ease in out cubic. Start end value. All right, and then I want to overwrite, and then yeah, left cube dot transform dot. Wait, it already is transform. What am I doing? This already is transform. Vector 3, left cube, left position, left pos equals. Say this, left pos, and then vector 3 right pos equals. Right pos, and then left pos dot y equals animation curve dot evaluate. Wait, what? It's not animation curve. What is it? Anim curve? Curve. Yeah, it's an animation curve. Why is it not? Where's the evaluate? Let me find the loot spawner. That's where it should be. This was really satisfying. Loot piece? Loot spawner? Is it? No, what is it? Picker? Item picker? Loot piece, but where do I do this? I forget. Resource wood. Oh, it's on the player. It's on the player. Player character. Player visibility. Item puller. There it is. What is this? What are you? Animation curve. It is an animation curve. Then why isn't it? Height curve. Height curve. Yeah. Yeah, evaluate. Dot evaluate. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. Was I not doing the dot evaluate on the right thing? Left pos dot y equals left cube y dot evaluate. Yeah, I was doing it on the wrong thing. I'm such an idiot. So this is time, which is alpha. No, I actually don't want ease time. I want regular time. So 1 minus timer. So this is alpha. This is, okay. Eased alpha. And then float alpha equals 1 minus timer. Alpha, okay. Alpha. And then right position y equals right cube y dot evaluate alpha. Okay. So this is where the fun happens. This is where the fun happens. You're not going to want to look away. That was ridiculous. I'll never say that again. So left cube, I want it to be like this, but this I want to be down here. And then here's the jump, right? So it's going to jump 1 unit into the air. And that's great. Let's save this as a preset. New. And then this one I want to jump 1 unit into the air. Actually, this one I want to jump like 3 units in the air. Let's try that. Okay. Now this is going to be where it all comes together. Are you ready? I'm ready for this. Yeah. Yes. Okay, it's a little psychotic. It's a little psychotic. So they don't need to jump that high. And they should go much slower than that. I got to remember, at the end of the day, this is just going to happen once. It's not going to keep jumping around, so it's not going to be that satisfying. So maybe I actually want it to be really slow. And then I kind of just want, maybe I don't want this one to jump at all. And then the other one jumps over it. So maybe this one jumps up, yeah, 0.75. And then this one will jump up. So if that one's 0.75, this one needs to be at 175. Let's do 1/2, actually. I don't care if they intersect at all. Okay, so one's 1.5 and this one should be 0.5. Oh, wait, this one's 0.4. Okay. So that should do the trick. And it's going to go really slow. Here's 1, 2. That's cool. Ooh, that's cool. 4. 5. That's fun. Why does it snap like that? It like snaps into place. Oh, I know why. I know why. It's because this isn't at 0. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I dig it. Also, wait, is the I can't tell when the 8 is upside down. So the only problem is it doesn't like fit in the housing when it rotates. It kind of sometimes it rotates out of the housing. Connie, how's it going, Connie? Tomat salad, how's it going? How are you? You got a spout under Godot running? What's a spout? Too much used to lurking. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. It works. 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm just testing to see if all the numbers work. 13. I'll just get rid of the sidewalls. What's the point? I mean, it is nice the way they fit in. It's kind of satisfying. Maybe, yeah, maybe, you know what? I'll have them always hop out all the way. That's what I'll do. They'll hop out all the way, do their rotation, and then go back in. And it's totally fine. I think it was just jarring before because it was so fast. And instead of, all right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set this to 1. And then I'm gonna just do a multiplier in code because I don't want to have to keep adjusting this. Edit key, 0.5, 1. Okay. So now I'm gonna use this left cube for both. So it's just gonna be called whatever. I don't need a right cube. I'll have an float left cube multiplier equals 0 or equals 1. Float right cube multiplier equals 2. Right cube y multiplier, right cube y, left cube y. Okay. So this is going to be left cube y dot evaluate times right multiplier times left multiplier. Okay. That's better. For the overlay, let me look. Whoa. Well, that's crazy. What am I looking at? Spout is texture sharing between programs, so I can use OBS image within Godot. Oh wow, that sounds complicated, but cool. Very cool. Looks like VR, but based on your explanation, it isn't. Nevertheless, this is something I want to have one day as a desktop. VR headset, and then I'm just living in my monitor. Apparently, the new Apple thing, that's what it's really good at. It's just having an infinite desktop. Very cool, Connie. This was yesterday's reference. I think we're good. Doesn't like Apple. Well, I mean, I think this PC ones can do it too. There's a remote. I think there's VR desktop as a thing. Virtual desktop, yeah. So I don't want cubic, right? And I want it to animate up, hold that position, rotate, and then slip down. So, okay. So here I want like, yeah, let's say 0.25, 0.925. And I want to mimic this over here. Edit key, 0.75, 0.925. Is that symmetrical? That looks pretty symmetrical. And then I don't know if cubic is the right ease that I want. Is there just ease in out? What's less easy than cubic? Ease in out. Ooh, what if I try bounce? Or elastic? Let's try bounce. Why not? Just for fun. Did I break it? Uh-oh. Oh, no, no, no. Scenes. Prefab has been modified. Yeah, save, save, save. Oh. Oh, it's horrible. It's not bounce. I think it's elastic. Elastic. All right, Booyah. Gonna be calling it for the night. Best of luck on the procedural coding. Whitechapel, thanks for stopping by. Have a good night. That sure one day will come, but I think for my use case, VR headsets may still be too heavy. I think they are. The MetaQuest is pretty light, but that's not as powerful as something you want for your desktop. Oh God, I'm so afraid of sneezing now. I'm gonna throw my back out again. I saw these on one of Alana Pierce's videos the other day. No idea what they're like, but she's usually very honest with any sponsorships, and she seems to like it. Is this a headset? Not yet, because I don't own a VR headset. In our old apartment, there wouldn't have been enough space. Now, since we moved to our house, we would have, but we are renovating from the ground up, so I don't want to buy expensive things. That makes sense. So VR has to wait until next year. Yeah, I've been avoiding heavy purchases ever since I moved here, because that was quite a heavy purchase. All right, Elastic is kind of crazy. Or what if it's okay? Ease in Elastic. I don't want to ease out Elastic, just ease in Elastic. So that should only do the elasticity part at the end. Whoa. Ugh. Oh, it's horrible. I think I just want sign. The simple one. Whoa. What? How did it break? Sign must not start and end at 0. Oh, yeah, sign is not the right one. I guess it is cubic. I thought there was like a less intense one. Is there a graph? A graph of easing function curves? Graph of easing functions. So which is this, like the most gentle? Quad? Where's cubic? Cubic's not even here. Yeah, I thought sine was what I wanted. This is what I wanted. It's like the least intense. These are super intense. Maybe quad. Maybe quad's what I want. Yeah, here's elastic and bounce. Those are psychotic. Let's try quad. Proton! You got your new toy yesterday. Yeah, we're doing some easing curves. I'm trying to pick out the best one. Yo, Proton, I had no idea you even streamed. I had no idea. I ended up following you because I saw you rated Falonier earlier. I hope to catch you next time. But today I made the calendar blocks. Last time, I don't know if you were here when I said, yesterday. Like, nah, I'm not gonna make it. I can't figure out how to do it. Today we figured out how to do it, and it's kind of cool. Yeah, I had no idea. I had no idea. Whoa, I totally broke it. So now it's snapping and then animating to it. Snapping to 5, going back to 4, animating to it. What did we do? What did we do? This is weird. Yeah, I'm embarrassed. I had no idea. Meeting marathon incoming. All right, good luck in your meetings. Good luck. What the hell did I do to break this so bad? Oh, because I made timer 3. Why did I make timer 3? That was an accident. Timer always needs to be 1. Timer always needs to be 1. How did I do that? Ah, man, that was a stupid mistake. That means all the other tests that I did are probably inaccurate. Let's just make sure this is right now. I haven't raided you because you're usually not online when I'm streaming, but I've streamed for quite a while. Oh, that's cool. So do you stream like the visualizations that you make? Is that what you is that your content? Your project? Twitch tracker. Man, it's weird to have wait, these are public for everyone? These stats are public for you can look at anyone's stats? That's weird. Boom, there we go. Okay, it's back to working. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool. All right. Well, I'm glad to know that you stream. I want this to like slam in really quickly. Ooh, the same hotkeys as Maya. That's convenient. Cheating dice. Cube has 6 sides. You have more numbers than that. That's because the 9 is an upside down 6. That's the only way this works. Okay, that's cool. Boom. Oh my god, I love it. Boom. That's so fun. Dead Cat, thank you for the follow. You can use a icosahedron. No, but I got this. This is a known product. This is like an age-old product. I have one of the I've had one of these on my desk for a really long time. I've never seen the waving guy with hair. It's amazing. That's great. And then it's over. One. Nice. Okay, cool. You got it. The hair. Do other people not realize it's hair? People don't usually get that it's hair. What? Yeah, it looks like a mohawk or something, or like a faux hawk. That's great. Okay, let's get this in the game functioning now. Like I can honestly stare at this all day long, but I think I need to put it in the game. All right, so instead of chaining, so chain all numbers, that was just for testing, right? What am I doing? So at the end of my in-game day, I want the numbers to change, right? I want it to go from the last day and then animate to the new day. So that's what you were just seeing. You were seeing it. That's those two little blocks. Those are calendar days. So day's going to end, fade to black. That thing's going to pop up and then boom, animate. Ant Beat. What up, Ant Beat? Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. So something basically needs to reference this and need to animate it up. And you can't fade render textures, can you? You totally can. Yeah, so I'm making a cozy game. You know, there's an in-game day-night cycle. And yeah, this is just to show the passing of time in a really satisfying way. I don't know. I just thought it was fun. I just wanted to make it. Okay. I think I want to like spin it in. It needs to like spin in and animate up from a 0 scale. I think I need to do that as well. Animations. This is like cube calendar reveal. Add property. So we're just gonna grab rotation and scale. This is the last frame, and the first frame is going to be basically 0 scale. And I'm going to rotate it around like 720. Perfect. Done. It's going to take 3 seconds. And it needs to ease. Oh, that's so annoying. Can I right tangent? Both tangents linear? Nah, I don't want that. Both tangents free. I'll just have to match it. Just have to eyeball it. Tails-tastically weird. Yo. Did you make all the 3D art? I made most of it. I do have some packs in the game, but I'd say like 60-40. I've made 60% of it. McDonald's ad on top of a Burger King ad? That is ridiculous. Fighting each other. And then I need an unreveal. I don't want to just reverse it because I want it to keep rotating in the same direction. So it takes 3 seconds for this thing to reveal. 1 Mississippi. Now, I think this is too slow, actually. I think players are going to get impatient. Let's do 1.5 seconds. And for scale, same. Now rotation. Looks like I've been buying too many burgers. Did they know? Can they tell? Cool. So we're going to show that animation, wait a minute or a second and a half, and then do the changing of the days animation. And then I need another animation. How do I make a new animation from here? Create new clip. Cube, calendar. What's the opposite of reveal? Unreveal? No. Hide. Rotation. Scale. So now we'll end at 0, right? And we'll animate off in just 1 second. All right. What did I came from 720, so I guess I want to go to negative 720. So negative 180. Okay. So in the animator, we need a empty. Make transition set default. Add a couple of parameters. What do we want, bools or triggers? Probably just trigger. Reveal or show hide. Show, trigger, hide. So if we trigger show, do this, and then this has an exit time, so this should just happen at the end, right? Fix. So exit time at 1 always, and transition duration is instant. Exit time 1, instant, and this one needs to be hide. Exit time has no exit time. Okay, I think that's good. So we show it, we wait, change the days, wait again, hide it. So I have a script here that is an end of day panel. So we'll say date change panel. Date change panel. Animated change of day. We'll give it the date change panel. Can't add script. Date change panel is broken. Okay, sure. Date change panel. Not broken anymore. Thank you very much. So what does this need to do, this date change panel? It needs to... Should it be skippable? Should it be skippable? No. No, this is 3 seconds. You're stuck here. Maybe 5 seconds. Maybe 5 seconds. You don't need the in. You don't need text. Maybe I'll do like a spring summer thing. I don't know. I'll just keep that in there for now. Make it skippable? No. Fine, I'll make it skippable. It's fine. Typewriter effect, we don't need that. Let's see. Start, we don't need to do this. Fast forward, we don't need to do anything in fast forward yet. Set panel. I think this is where the magic happens. I think set panel is called outside of this. And we don't need any of this. Typewriter complete, we don't need that callback. Fast forwardable panel. What are you? Who are you? Set panel animation. What? Wait. Fast forwardable panel has this stuff built in? That's not cool. No, like, what's happening? Oh, this is totals panel that inherits from fast forwardable panel. Okay, I see. It's on the same level like unskippable intro logo scenes of games. Yeah, no, I'll make it skippable. It gets the canvas group, it sets a fast forward speed, and then it checks if it's focused. Okay, that's all it does. It's very simple. Let me get rid of all this stuff. I don't need this stuff. Date change panel. So I need end of day menu manager. This is the thing that chains them all. And I need I need the cube calendar again. Okay. So date change panel. When this starts, how does this start? On GUI open. Presented totals equals false. Get totals, show guest summary panel. So this is what we don't want to do. We don't want to show the guest summary panel. We want to show date change panel. We don't want to do that one yet. Public void show date change panel. And it's going to be the date change panel dot set panel. And then canvas group selector dot select, probably 3. I don't even know. Canvas group selector. I need to make this part of the canvas group. So selectables. Ooh, I have a lot. So now animated change day. So this is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5. I was right. No, I was so wrong. It's 5. We need to reference it. Public date change panel. Okay, close, we're close. And now when you hit the next button, show next window, show next tally. Next button pressed. Here we go. If date change panel dot is focused. Now this is an else if. If the date changed panel is focused, then we can see if date change panel dot animating. We want to fast forward. If we're not animating, we want to go to the next window. Show next window. So show next window. If guest pays, that count is greater than 0. What is this nonsense? Select 4. Unfocused GUI. What are all these nonsense things? So show next window here is, I don't want to do all this logic. I basically want to just do this, show guest summary panel. Bam. There. This next window logic is kind of weird. Okay, it's definitely weird. All right, so the date change. What does showing this panel actually mean? What do we call? We call show date change. So we set it, so set panel. And this is nothing, right? We just set animating equals true. Right. We set animating equals true, and we do our logic here. So we need the reference to the animator. Cube animator. Public cube calendar. Cube calendar. Or maybe I put it in the... Yeah, let's just put it in the calendar. So I don't need a reference to the animator here. Public animator. And I'll just grab it. Animator equals get component animator. Let's put this in awake just in case. Initialize, we don't need that. I'll leave that just in case I want to show it off. Okay, we're close. So this needs to cube calendar dot animator dot trigger dot show. Public I enumerator. Animation sequence. Okay, I know what I'll do. I know what I'll do. Yield return new. Wait for end of frame. So here's where I'll start the animation. We'll wait. So that was what? A second and a half, right? So instead of waiting for the end of frame, we'll wait for 0.5 seconds. Then cube calendar. Oh, we need to initialize its position first. It needs to animate up being that number, and we don't want it to animate. So public void set starting position. We'll take in a day. And then left cube dot position equals positions day dot left position. Oh, right. It's local position. I almost made that mistake twice. Local Euler angles. Euler angles, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it's Euler. Left block rotation. Right. Right. There we go. So I'm expecting a day here, and I'm expecting an index here. I'll just say index. And I'll do the conversion out here. So right here, cube calendar dot set starting position, and the day is time system dot. I think the day is actually previous day, because at midnight the day changes. So time system dot instance dot current time dot get relative day in month minus, I think it's -2 for the index because it's yesterday's index. We wait 5 seconds for the animation to show up. Let's say 0.75, 3/4 of a second, and then we say animator. Animate? What did I call it? Cube calendar. Public animate. And we want to yield return, wait for the animation. I don't remember if you have to start coroutine or if you can just do this. We'll find out. Purple moss. How's the polishing going? It's going well. It's going well. I don't know if you remember the thing yesterday that I said I didn't want to make, like the calendar that's made of cubes. I ended up making it, and it's cool. So that's what I'm implementing right now. Yield return, new, wait 4 seconds. I'll wait like half a second. And then cube calendar dot animator dot set trigger hide. Okay. Okay. Is that everything? Oh, and then we wait. So this takes one second to hide? Or half a second. I don't remember. But now we can say animating equals false. Yo, Maripon. Ameripon. どうですか? I think that's it. What? No, that can't be it. Yeah, you know I don't know kind. Oh, thank you for doing the furigana. Choshi. Wa ii desu yo. What's choshi? I don't know what choshi is. Translate. Google. Condition. Your condition is good. Ha. I des. I'm fine. It just translates to I'm fine. Google translates that to I'm fine, but you're saying it's like, maybe it's like saying I'm good? Good condition, good spirits? Okay. Choushi wa ii desu. That's a good one. I like that. So when it says your condition, so yeah, condition, like your state of being, I see. Okay. It's so confusing sometimes. And then if I flip it, it says Jotai. Google doesn't help sometimes. Google's confusing. So in good condition, good spirits, you can ask someone how they are. Choshi do. Choshi do. And it could be used in condition like if someone were recently sick. Oh, okay. All right, let's see if this works. I'm going to be very surprised if this works first time. Hmm. So this raw image, we still need this, of course. Oh, then I can fade. What am I thinking? Of course you can fade. It's a texture. It's not a piece of geo. Of course it can fade. So stupid. Whatever. We animate it up anyway. Is that big enough? Yeah, it's big enough. And what else? I need to hook up this stuff. End of day menu canvas. Date change panel, which is this guy. I'll rename it to be date change panel. This thing needs the reference to the cube in the scene, cube calendar. There's no text. It's fine. This is this. It's cool. Animating, it's not. I don't think fast forward isn't hooked up yet, but whatever. Let's see if this works. Oh my god. I'm excited. So if you see someone who was out last week due to being sick, you could say choshido, and they would reply choshi wa yokunarimashita. 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 So I was not, was not good. That's all for today's Japanese lesson with Ameripon. Thank you. All right. Are you ready for this? Yeah, I'm ready for this. Boom. Did I already get an error? No. Let's fast forward. You missed it? Here, it's coming. Here it comes. We're fast forwarding to the end of the day. Three, two, one. What? Oh my god, that was cool. It happened so fast though, and then it breached the edge of the render texture. But that was cool. Do it again, do it again, do it again. How do I do it again? Yeah, it's the day change. But it's showing a 6. Why is it showing a 6? It's definitely day 2. Or is it? No, it was day 6. Oh, wait, it showed me day 6. Okay, so I didn't have to subtract 2. I need to subtract 1. Oh, wait, actually, I don't know. No, this is definitely 1. So this will go from 6 to 7. This might be 1 as well. Let's try it. Okay. So what did I learn? I learned that I'll wait 1 full second here. And I'll wait 1 full second here. And the render texture needs to be bigger. And then I can model it. I need to make a reservation right now. I need to make a reservation. Bookings in contact. Reservations are available 6 p.m. to... Okay, they can be made here. Why did I only now notice you're in Unity? I don't know. What do you think I was in? Hang on. Hang on. Bear with me. Oh, I have to put in a credit card? That's crazy. Whatever. Oh, God. This is painful. Hang tight, everyone. Everything's going to be okay. We're going to make it. It's going to be amazing, too. All right, done. Credit card revealed. Did I just reveal it? Did I just show it? Or are you just messing with me? Let me know. I mean, it's not as bad as Crazy Mike. Someone clip it. Did it happen? Or are you guys just messing with me? I mean, I can imagine like it automatically, like some artifact showing up on this one. Bonus Godot plush for me. Holy hell. You'll have to see if you have Amazon charges tonight. I mean, I probably will anyway. I get my credit card stolen at least once every 2 years. It's very annoying. One time I sold my iPhone to one of those services online. They teach you how to wipe it completely, that you mail it in, they give you a few $100 for it. Like 3 weeks after I did that, I started getting someone just tried to hack into literally everything I own. Literally everything. All right, so okay, and I need it to end. Maybe it just stays there. Maybe it doesn't animate away. All right, yeah, it's not going to animate away. We're going to leave it. Or, okay, how about if you don't hit the next button, after it goes away, it like pops back and automatically goes to the next one. I'll see if I can do that. Don't worry, it won't happen tonight. I was just messing. All right, so I've been going for 2 hours and 45 minutes. And I think I'm going to meet up with a friend who's in town. Soon. Not right this absolute second, but maybe in the next 30 seconds. I'm getting texts right now. Hey, you around? Like, yeah. I'm waiting for you. Let's see how this goes. But I do want to fix this. All right, maybe we don't hide. All right, let's not hide for now. We don't have to wait this 1 second. I guess we don't really have to wait this second either. And let's make the render texture bigger. Bigger. Render texture bigger. Render texture bigger. Cameras. This guy. This guy. Let's do this. Let's do a little bit of this. Do a little bit of this. And now if it does its animation, it shouldn't exit. And let me make the render texture bigger as well. Higher resolution. What is it called? Something RT. Oh, that's annoying. What did I call it? I called it cube, geo, overlay, RT, UI geo overlay RT. What a horrible name. Let's make it like 720 by 720. Is that an awkward size? That's kind of awkward. Does it care if this is like, does it have to be powers of 2? I hope not. 720 by 720. In a month when I lease this. Moss, the evil side of you is coming out. What happened? All right. I'll be happy if there's no artifacts. Oh my god, what? No, I just sped right through it. Wait, thanks for the good times. Oh, the demo. It's over. It's over. Main menu, new game. Oops. That's funny. Oh, Moss, did you see this? You did. You were the first person to like it. New map. I just made it in Maya. There's brute force polygons. And I used Kenny assets to populate it because I just needed like cute little like decorations, and I knew his stuff would work. Would work well. Okay, we don't wait long enough? What? We set the time. We wait 1 second. Oh, because it's 2 seconds. We need to wait 2 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. It's a half a second of dead space. Jump. And then the jump happens in 1 second. Then we can leave. And then we can leave the scene. It didn't clip, right? It was enough space. Looks good and fits the vibe. Yeah, I think so. The color palette's a little different than the game. Like, I actually like that color palette. It's kind of modern and looks good. But my current color palette's a little more natural, or that's more stylistic. I think it's okay though. Like if I go to the pause menu, like this is it in situ. It looks fine. It looks okay. It's a little, it's like desaturated and pastel. A little, there's like a little more pastels, but I think it works. It's way better than the other thing, that's for sure. That other thing was no good. Incarnate is cool. It allowed me to get a map in the game really fast, but I think different color palette is good for a map. I don't know, maybe, probably. I just wanted to fit this, fit the vibe. All right, here we go. Everything's fixed, right? Boom, saving. It flickers. I don't know why. It goes to 3. Next. Cool. Since the map is stylistic representation of reality anyway, yeah. Yeah, it doesn't, I don't think it has to match perfectly, but I'd say it's 99% better. There's like it's like 1% off. No, it's like 10% off. I'd love it if I had like, I should do a nighttime render, and depending on the time of day, that's the render that shows up. That would be cool. It's totally pointless. Yeah, the calendar cubes, they're cool. Now I just need a good model, and I need to light it because it's like a little lame right now, but I'll do that next time. I am going to find someone to raid. This is a good one. This is a fun stream. All right, we're going to go to Basie. We're going to go to Basie. Teammate. All right, everybody. How did we do today? How did we do? Roll them credits, please. Saranami, see you later. So, Dead Cat, Philly Troll, and Sammy, thank you so much for those follows. And Finn, thank you for modding. Connie, thank you for hanging out. I got some fun work done today. That was one of the last things on my big to-do list. Now I need to reevaluate, do a build, see how to finish this demo. It's almost done, and I need to reshoot the trailer. I didn't shoot any footage today. I said I was going to shoot footage, but I didn't. Maybe if I don't go out right now, I'll shoot footage right now, but whatever. It happens. All right, let's go say hi to Basie, and everyone have a good day. Have a good rest of your whatever. Yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow. Finn, you're welcome. Thanks again.